Discover Tech invites you to experience the raw power and unmatched sound of rare vintage engines. The moment they fire up, it's mechanical music that speaks to the soul. Let's fire them up. Manufactured in 1936 by Storebro Mechanical Factory in Sweden, this 2.5-ton hot bulb engine was regarded as a technological marvel of its era.
What is the way?
The Ant-2, also known as the Cuckoo, was introduced in 1940. Equipped with a 1,000 horsepower engine, it was engineered to perform takeoffs from challenging terrains. This propeller-driven aircraft remains a testament to early 20th century aviation capability and design. This is not the typical low-frequency jet rumble. The F-16, operating at full capacity, emits a high-intensity engine roar as it consumes fuel at extreme rates. It produces a uniquely powerful auditory experience unlike any conventional aircraft. The Dude's TBD 620-V16 is a serious piece of machinery, putting out 1,840 kilowatts of power. Fully rebuilt and ready for action, this 16-cylinder diesel engine is perfect for tough jobs like running generators, powering ships. The Tatra 603, equipped with a 2.5-liter V8 engine producing 100 horsepower, is a distinctive classic vehicle known for its aerodynamic bodywork and spacious interior. Its engine provides a deep, resonant tone, complemented by the refined ride quality typical of mid-20th century automotive engineering. The 2019 Brazil Tag Spire school bus is anything but ordinary. It's powered by a turbine engine that puts out a massive 25,000 horsepower. When it hits the road, it doesn't just move, it roars like a jet, giving off serious airplane vibes as it cruises by. The Roomley Oil Pool 25-40 is a heavy-duty vintage tractor powered by a 2-cylinder opposed engine using heavy oil. Its durable frame, steel wheels, and characteristic exhaust note reflect early 20th century agricultural engineering. The machine blasted past, engines screaming, leaving jaws dropped and eyes wide open. It wasn't just the speed, it was pure mechanical brilliance, stealing everyone's attention. The Dutz 58 Proof is a high-performance engine engineered for intensive industrial and agricultural operations. Its deep acoustic signature during testing underscores its mechanical strength and refined design. The Yak-1 was a standout Soviet fighter in World War II, running on a 1,100 horsepower fine 12 Klimov M105P engine. With its mix of strength and speed, it wasn't just powerful, it was unforgettable. The 2014 Black Gold Great Eccleston represents high-end motorcycle engineering, featuring a 1.66-liter V-twin engine that generates 110 horsepower. Built for riders who value both speed and handling precision, it offers a refined and premium riding experience. A Radial engine has 7 cylinders arranged in a circle, which gives it a unique shape and sound. It makes a steady, powerful pop-pop noise that really stands out. Thanks to its balanced design, it runs smoothly, even in tough marine environments. At the cockpit's north event in Dumfries and Galloway, the Armstrong Siddeley Radial engine, packing 9 cylinders and 330 horsepower, fired up for a crowd of onlookers. The roar of the engine and the whir of the propeller created a powerful and nostalgic moment that reminded everyone of the classic days of flight. The Scherer & Gross's static engine is a standout example of precise, enduring engineering. Now a featured exhibit at Bulldog Freunde, it showcases both historical relevance and mechanical excellence. The S16R is a high-capacity V16 diesel engine delivering 65 liters of torque-heavy performance. Known for its deep, resonant acoustic signature, it powers maritime vessels and industrial machinery with precision and force. The 2024 John Deere tractor, equipped with a 6-cylinder PowerTech diesel engine, pairs seamlessly with the Kinsey planter for efficient, modern farming operations. The Doubt's MO121 is a vintage, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine with approximately 12 liters of displacement. Operating at 600 RPM, it generates 20 to 25 horsepower. The Hot Wheels twin mill features a striking dual-engine layout and lightweight construction optimized for high-speed performance. Its signature dual exhaust system enhances both visual appeal and mechanical function. The MWMTBD234-V12 is a water-cooled four-stroke diesel engine with 12 cylinders arranged in a compact 60-degree V configuration. Known for its durability and high performance, it's ideally suited for marine and industrial operations that demand consistent, reliable power output. Explore the heritage of classic mechanical engineering, where the rhythmic pulse of steam engines and the signature growl of bulldog tractors evoke an era defined by innovation and power. Each rotation, each steam burst, tells a story of early industrial strength and craftsmanship. The Caterpillar C32 DPX-11571 generator sets a high standard in electrical power solutions, Delivering 1,100 kVm via the proven C32 engine, it offers reliable performance in extreme operating environments. The Hot Wheels Bone Shaker is a real race-ready car with a V8 engine that can hit speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour. Its steel frame and vintage design make it stand out, and the loud growling engine just adds to the fun. It's the perfect mix of power and personality. It's the heartbeat of this place. That deep, booming sound, whether it's from steam or electricity, tears through the air, echoing like a primal call. Every moment from the careful warming up process to the steady hum as it runs at full power has been revived and now roars once again. The T-34/85 is the enhanced variant of the original T-34, a tank widely credited with transforming armored combat during World War II. Equipped with a 500 horsepower V12 V-2-34 diesel engine, it offered improved firepower and mobility, earning a reputation for both durability and strategic effectiveness. The 7.5 kilovolt ampere DCB generator runs on the legendary Junkers 1HK65 diesel engine, first built in the 1930s. This water-cooled two-stroke engine puts out 25 horsepower and runs smoothly at 1,200 RPM. With each acceleration, a sharp, powerful engine note resonates, sending deep, echoing acoustics across surrounding streets, an unmistakable signature of high-performance engineering. The Detroit Diesel 8WWII is a high-performance turbocharged V8 engine producing 550 horsepower from a 12.1-liter displacement. When matched with an Allison transmission, it offers exceptional reliability and output, making it a preferred choice in marine applications for both its capability and commanding presence. The Austin Roller 79 is a big 8-ton classic that holds a special place in automotive history. Its two-cylinder engine with dual camshafts gives it both power and a one-of-a-kind driving feel. Manufactured in the 1980s, this diesel tractor continues to operate with impressive power, reflecting its long-lasting durability. Originally used in greenhouses to create planting furrows for strawberries, it has now become a rare example of Asian agricultural machinery from that era.